Hi guys, I am Chubby Deigh and welcome to my channel. If you are new, please do click that red subscribe button so that you become part of the family. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Please don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you get notified every single time I upload. And please do follow me on my social media platforms. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I create this seamless, simple makeup look. So let's get straight into the video. So this is my go-to basic look that I'll be doing, and I'll insert a picture here of the look that I'm talking about, and it's nothing much. So let's get into it. As you all can see that I've done my unrelated eyebrows off camera, so let's get into the eyeshadow. So I got my hands on this eyeshadow, and I know this has been on the market for quite some time, but I've just got my hands on, I think, in December, and child, the pigment is insane. As y'all can see, this eyeshadow is neutral, like basic eyeshadow looks. This is not for someone who likes to do the complicated stuff that I usually do, both green, pink, and other eyeshadow look that I've done. First things first is to apply concealer on your eyeshadow as an eyeshadow base, and I know that there are products that are meant for eyeshadow and they are eyeshadow base. I'm using this concealer as my eyeshadow base, and this is from LA Girl, and this is in the shade Light Ivory. I'm only going to use two colors, two shades, and I'm just mix matching to get one shade. So I'll be using these two shades right here. Okay, what I do is like I pat here, I pat here, I pat here, I pat here. That's basically what I do, and do this. I pack it in, then I will blend it afterwards. And the reason why I am mixing them is that one is too dark and the other one looks kind of red. So if I mix them, the other one settles down. Let me guys zoom in so that you can see what I am doing. So this is what I'm doing basically. I'm just packing it in first. Then I'm gonna take this fluffy brush, and I'm not taking any new products. I'm just like blending. Then we are done basically. Like, that's basic, and you can do this like every day. It's not too much. There's no cut crease, there's no too many colors, like it's not complicated. As you can see, this side I'm starting to crease, so I'm just gonna kind of do that. And take this brush. This is a round brush, and this picks up product, hence I'm using it to pack the eyeshadow in. I'm blending with my fluffy brush. Isn't it that simple? Like, wouldn't you be able to do that as a beginner? You would. This is not complicated. Guys, it's so hot. So to prime my face, I'll be using this Maybelline Baby Skin Primer. And the OGs know that this is my favorite primer, but I had stopped using it because I was trying like new primers that I have. Today I just decided that I should use it. It's been a while. Then for foundation, I'll be using this Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 363, which is Auburn. Then I'm using my foundation brush from Avon. Guys, I don't know if this brush still exists because I bought it like a long time ago, 2 years ago. And then I'm gonna use this setting spray from Maybelline to basically now I'm highlighting my face, and this is the concealer that I'm using, which is still from LA Girl. I do have a detailed video on how I highlight and contour on my channel, and if you want to see that, I'll link it on the cards. But at this point, I'm using a kind of different technique to highlight, not to contour. So I'm using this foundation brush first to distribute the concealer evenly under my eyes, then I'll go with the beauty blender.
I got a condo in Manhattan. Baby girl, what's happening? You and your ass invited, so gonna get to clapping. Go pop it for a plan, pop it for me. Turn around and drop it for a plan, drop it for me. I'll rent a beach house in Miami. Wake up with no jammies. Lobster tail for dinner. Julio served that scampi. You got it.
I'm going to take my Rimmel London Match Perfection powder. I'll be using this brush to set my under eyes, and it is tricky because now I have to blend again with the beauty blender, blend my concealer, and then immediately set my concealer. So I won't be able to talk at this point because my concealer creases real quickly under my eyes.
Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Satisfied by fire at night. Silk sheets and diamonds, all white. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like.
I'll use my beauty blender to kind of like press it in. And I have my mirror here, so when I do this, I initially like have my mirror. I'm looking at the mirror and trying to blend. I don't want to do this because when I do this, it has line and then it creases if I didn't even apply the powder. And then I'll continue with setting the rest of my face, like my nose. I hate that this eyeshadow looks red on camera, but it's not red. I'm taking my contour palette and I'll be using this shade. And guys, I need a good contour powder palette because it seems like Scarlet Hill discontinued this. I wish they can bring this back ish. I'm using this kind of angled brush from Shein. For my nose, I am taking this round brush and the same shade, and this is what I do. I take my time when I do my nose because I have a round nose, so I'm trying to get it snatched, so I don't want any like mistakes. I don't want it to appear too like squeezed in. Also, I don't want it to appear too wide as it is. This contour child. You must be careful not to get carried away when you're contouring because it gets tricky sometimes, like I did, but now I'll be able to fix that. Let me show you real quick. I'll take my setting powder and then I take the same powder to reverse contour, darling. Even though we have contoured, but must look snatched, right? While we kind of wait for that, I'll apply blush, and this is the blush palette that I'm using, and you can tell which blush I use the most. This one, and we're gonna do that. I'm gonna take this big brush from the Shein palette and kind of dust off. Then I'm gonna use this Maybelline Fit Me setting powder in the shade 365, which is Espresso, and I'll be using this same big brush to kind of set everything in. To settle kahle kahle yonke into ihambe online. Nothing will be too much and nothing will be too less. Then I'm also like setting the parts where I didn't apply powder, like my forehead. To set my face, I'll be using this setting spray from Catrice Cosmetics. Guys, one thing about this spray will seal my makeup to the T. Then I'm gonna take my beauty blender and just press it in. Guys, can you see what I'm talking about? Can you see this setting spray is doing the things that needs to be done? Guys, I think I need to zoom you in so that you can see. Do you see that, guys? For mascara, I'm using this mascara from Essence. As you can see, it's the ghetto at this point, but it's a thing. If you want to do this like your everyday makeup look when going to work or when going to school, you can leave it here and not put on lashes, but because it's D, I'm gonna put on lashes, and I'm gonna do that off camera. This left eye took me a while. So I'm going back to this palette. I'm going back to this palette, and I'm going to use this shade for my tear duct. And then with this contour and glow palette from Scarlet, I'll be using this shade for my cupid bow. For my lips, I'm using the eyebrow pencil that I use for my eyebrows. Then how I do my ultimate nude look, don't judge me. I'm using this concealer from LA Girl, and this is in the shade Toffee. And you can leave this like this, but I'm just gonna put on lip gloss. And the lip gloss that I'm currently using is this lip gloss from Essence, which is so hard to find. This is the final look, and this is simple and easy to do as I've shown you. You just need more practice and more blending to get your makeup so seamless. If you really enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so that you get notified every single time I upload, and please follow me on my social media. Bye.